Close your eyes and paint a picture of a time when all are free. Go outside and lay beneath the breeze. Watch the fog lines disappear. Where the wild birds sleep. 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 Take this spell and appease the ghosts of a time when all are lost. Go inside and lay beneath the silence. Watch Our Lady of Paris disappear. Where the wild birds sleep. 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 Providence, you're divine, apathetic and supine. Go outside and lay beneath the shrines, and purge your soul of want. Sing the songs of peace.
Sing the songs of peace.
Sing the songs of need.
Sing the songs of need.
For all the wild birds.
For all the wild birds.
In the Tower of Song.
In the Tower of Song.
Where the wild birds sleep.
Sing the songs of need.
Where the wild birds sleep.
Sing the songs of peace.
Where the wild birds sleep.
Sing the songs of need.
Where the wild birds sleep.
Thanks.
That was just a taster of what's going to be in the TF tonight.
Nice to get a clap in the middle of the song too. So that's a good thing.